Hi guys, today I was wrong with my bias twice and lost $149 trading Nasdaq London and New York. Let's go over how I managed to get both of my bias wrong, my trade directions wrong, and only lost $149. In London, coming to the market, I was bearish until here, which was Asia low. So price dumped overnight and through the open was around here and it got rejected. So I wanted to short until Asia. Otherwise price is overextended, so there was no good target for short. Unfortunately, price just dumped without giving a proper target. The only proper target that I can entry that I can reckon is at here entry, because price responded at this roughly EQ of the range, manipulated a little bit inside this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. You can see the manipulation here. And I created a CISD and I waited for an extra candle because this condition was really not that good. So I wanted to see the candle engulfs 1 minute bullish candle confidently, and this was that. And then I will set my stop loss above like this manipulated high and TP at 1R, or mainly this Asia low. This could be an entry, but I did not enter because I really didn't like these highs. This is relatively equal high, and I did not see it as a good manipulation. So what I did was I just sized down massively. I was keeping my bearish bias because in London, price tends to continue the trend. It happens at 2 out of 10 times that price reverses in London. And unfortunately, this was 2 out of 10 times that price reversed. So I entered short here. Price manipulated inside OTE, this manipulation. Created a CISD. Since the target was mitigated, I waited for an extra engulfing bearish candle. SL at manipulation, TP at 1R, and yeah, it got hit SL because market reversed exactly around here. That's how I lost roughly $100 trading London. Coming to New York, I was bullish because market has been extremely bullish, yet it did not face much rejection. This was London high, and London high was taken without much rejection. It just got displaced. And in 5-minute, 15-minute time frame, market was extremely bullish. I judged that high time frame market is bullish. It inverts several important fair value gaps as such in both 1 minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute time frame. So I wanted to long targeting this internal high, and this is the area I marked 4-hour fair value gap unfilled. So inefficiency. However, market started dumping. I got my bias wrong. I could not enter any of here because here we are inside the bullish fair value gap, and I was thinking that this is not a good condition. This is over, like way over OTE, so it does not have a condition while it was against this gigantic, well-respected bullish 15-minute gap. So I decided to ignore this entry, but market was clearly keep dumping. And at the end of the day, I just did a very small scalp, which ended up in a winning trade. Market, this was inside the bullish fair value gap and bullish 1 minute fair value gap. So in 5 minutes, 1 minute bullish fair value gap, manipulated, created a CISD entry, 1 hour got hit. But unfortunately, before doing so, I entered this very stupid trade. I don't know why I did so. So I lost here and I won here. But again, just like London, since I got my bias wrong, I just sat down to trade only one MNQ, hence I only lost $48 trading New York. So, even though I lost 2 trades, I only managed to lose only $149. Should I call it a win? Anyway, hope you guys trade well, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!